Let's solve some problems here. Simplify x to the 6th times x to the 5th. So by following or using the law of exponents, when the expressions have the same basis, we just have to add up their exponents. So that would be x to the power of 6 times x to the 5th. This would become x to the 6th plus 5, which is just equivalent to x to the 11th. So the answer here is letter C, x to the 11th. Next, solve for x. We're given here this expression here, 3 times x plus 1 equals 5 times x minus 2 plus 7. The first thing we do is to simplify all of those expressions inside the parentheses. So we just have to distribute 3 to this expression here and 5 to this expression. So that would be 3 times x, so 3x, copy the operator sign plus, then 3 times 1, which is 3, equals 5 times x is just 5x, copy the operator sign, which is minus, and then 5 times 2, which is 10, and then plus 7. And now we can group like terms. Okay. By further simplifying it, this would become 3x plus 3 equals 5x. Negative 10 plus 7 is just negative 3. Then we subtract 3 from both sides. This cancels out. So this would be 3x equals 5x. Negative 3 plus negative 3 is negative 6. And then we subtract 5x from both sides. This cancels out. So we have 3x minus 5x is just negative 2x equals negative 6. And then we divide both sides by negative 2 to solve for x. This cancels out. Then negative 6 divided by negative 2 is just equal to positive 3. So our answer here is letter D. Okay. If y equals 3ab plus 2b cubed, what is y when a equals 1 and b equals 2? So we're given here the values of a and b. So all we have to do is just plug in all these values, the values of a and b, to this equation here to solve for y. So that would be y equals 3ab plus 2b cubed. Y equals 3 times a, which is 1, times b, which is 2, plus 2b cubed. B is 2 cubed. And then simplifying this, 3 times 1 times 2 is just equal to 6, plus 2 times 2 cubed is 8. So this is just 6 plus 16. Then y is just equal to 22. So our answer here is letter D. A rectangle is cut in half to create two squares that each has an area of 25. What is the perimeter of the original rectangle? So let's draw that rectangle first and cut it into half to equal squares. Okay, let's say this is our rectangle here and cut in half to create two squares. And it says here that each square has an area of 25. Now to solve for area of a square is just equal to the side squared, and it says here that it is equal to 25. So 25 equals x squared. We just have to square both sides to find the side. So this is s is just equal to 5. Therefore, this side here is equal to 5. as well as this one, and this one, this one, and this one, this one, and this one too. So therefore, the rectangle has a length L that is equal to 10, and then the width, which is equal to 5. Now to find the perimeter of the rectangle, we can solve it by using the formula in finding the perimeter of the rectangle, which is just equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So we just plug in the values here of our length and width. So that would be 2 times 10 plus 2 times 5. So this is just equal to 20 plus 10. So the perimeter is just equal to 30. So our answer here is letter C. Okay, 44 is 80% of what number? So we don't know the number. So we let X be the number. So that is 80% of the number, which is X, equals 44. And we can convert 80 into decimal. So 80 is just 80 over 100. X equals 44. Then this is just 0.80x equals 44. We divide both sides by 0.8 to solve for x. Then x is just equal to 55. So the answer here is letter C. Okay. What is the value of the expression given below? 26 minus 7 times 3 plus 5 divided by 4 plus 2. So in this case, we can use PEMDAS. We can apply PEMDAS here. So we perform those expressions inside the parentheses and then exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Multiplication and division is just the same as addition and subtraction. You perform it from left to right. So in this case, we have 3 plus 5 inside the parentheses, so we solve this first. So that would be 26 minus 7 times 8 divided by 4 plus 2, and then this one from left to right, multiplication and division. So this is 26 minus 7 times 8 is 56 divided by 4 plus 2, and next is this one, 56 divided by 4. So this is 26 minus 14 plus 2, and now we can perform the rest. 26 minus 14 plus 2. So this is 12 plus 2 equals 14. Our answer here is letter A.